You're watching AutoNerveX, Speo, where cars aren't just machines, they're stories. Let's begin.
Welcome to AutoNerveX today. Let's dive into a unique blend of East German heritage and modern engineering. The **** Trabant P60 kombi turbo in a stunning silver *** finish. This isn't just a nostalgic tribute to the past, it's a reimagining of what the Trabant could have been with the spirit of innovation and turbocharged performance. Originally produced from 1962 to 1965. The Trabant P60 kombi was the station wagon variant of the iconic P60 series, a practical, reliable vehicle built for the roads of the GDR, known for its duroplast body, front-wheel drive, and simplicity. The P60 kombi became a family favorite and a workhorse across East Germany. But today, we're looking at a version that breaks all expectations, a turbocharged P60 kombi, tastefully restored and upgraded without losing the charm of the original. From the outside, the silver paint gleams with a modern metallic touch, while preserving the classic boxy design and compact dimensions. The original round headlights, thin chrome bumpers, and flat roofline remain intact, creating a perfect retro-modern contrast. Under the hood is where things truly transform. The humble two-stroke engine has been replaced with a *** small displacement, turbocharged inline 3 or inline 4 engine ***, offering modern reliability, better emissions, and a surprising amount of power for a vehicle of this size. With a lightweight chassis, the Turbo P60 delivers a nimble and engaging drive. All while preserving that analog feel of the classic era, the interior stays true to its roots. Simple, utilitarian, yet upgraded with subtle modern touches. You'll find a custom gauge cluster, period-correct fabrics, and hidden modern features like USB charging and a discrete infotainment unit, all while keeping the cabin true to its 1960s aesthetic. What truly sets this build apart is the balance. Between restoration and reimagination, it's not about creating a new car, but about showing what the Trabant P60 kombi could have been if it had been designed with modern tools, technology, and vision. In the collector and enthusiast community, projects like this shine. They remind us of the charm of old-school design and how timeless silhouettes can be reworked to meet today's standards without losing their soul. The *** Trabant P60 kombi turbo in silver ** is more than a car. It's a tribute to innovation, simplicity, and the enduring power of imagination. Subscribe, like, and share AutoNerveX for more classic legends reborn with modern spirit. Thank you very much.